quality is roaming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out. Sometimes you go around and I never run the rail. This week has been a mess, but I'm gonna tell you, we're a bit at work, gonna make it brand new. We're gonna play the way for a comeback. We all need some time, and I promise you that. I promise you that. I promise you that. I know this can take a while, but it's gonna be alright, girl. And if it won't be today, I'm the shoulder you can cry on.
Falling, so keep moving, to keep rising. All my friends are stoned, they live too long. My careful ones, they're dead and gone. You better open up your heart, like the case behind you, because the manic world goes on and on.
感谢大家，来，cheers。